Right. What building is this at?
Oh. Really?
P4. Nice elevator.
These are the main garage elevators at California Plaza.
Okay, we can't get into the high rise.
No.
Oh, there's two Big Brothers.
Nice.
Right there. Oh well, if we get busted, I'll just be like, I didn't know. Let's switch sides.
These are like Schindler Houghton fixtures, but these are Otis Lexon time period elevators. Beautiful cabs.
What floor should we get off on?
Here. You want to go to the end one?
The N one? Okay. Oh, is it because it's a glass?
Just you wait.
Oh, it is. Oh, and it goes all the way up there.
Yeah, that's where we want to go. So we'll go down.
Oh, this is awesome. Wow, cool.
I remember the first time I rode this as a 6-year-old.
We're gonna go to UP.
Yep, let's go up. Upper Plaza.
Wow, look at how.
What's that?
Look at that.
Oh, you're looking up there, sorry.
Cool.
Very.
Nice. We emerged from the underground.
Isn't that cool? And look, these other elevators aren't even here.
No, they're not.
It looks cool. Well, it is an in-ground. I never answered that question for myself.
Cool.
Yeah, this is a great elevator.
And that's about it.